Hi, it's Cherry Tree Beads, and we have some new slider clasps that we're super excited about, and I wanted to show you how to use them today. We have two different styles. We have the tubes and we have the rondelles. And we have both of these in three different colors. We have the natural brass, the silver, and the gold plated. And in the rondelles, we have several different sizes. These are the bracelets that I'm going to show you how to make today using the slider clasps. This one has two, so that there's nothing that's dangling. And then this one just has the one with the two little dangles. And you can decide which style you like best. These are using our large hole beads. These two are 8mm faceted rounds. This is the gold stone and this is the turquoise howlite. And then this is also from our large hole collection, and it's a yellow tiger's eye, and it's a 10mm faceted rondelle. I'm going to be using a 1.5mm leather, and these rondelle slider clasps are an 8mm. So I've got my beads strung on here, and I'm going to tie a knot on one side. And I'm going to go and pull that nice and tight, and then I'm going to put one on the other side. Pull that one nice and tight. I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to string on the slider clasp, both of them onto one side. Then I'm going to take this coming from the other side and string it on. And then what I did to figure out the length is I'm just going to pretend like I'm putting it on, and at the widest part I'm going to want to leave it there so that I know I can get it over my hand. And I'm going to go here and make a knot. I'm going to go on the other side and make a knot. And then I'm going to trim these ends. Super simple and easy, and you can put it on yourself. So there you go.